Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use teamwork.com for your community engagement projects. Let's hop right in. First up, you'll want to create a new project. To do this, go to the Projects tab on the left of your dashboard and click Add Project. This is your first step because everything you do for your community engagement project will be organized here. Now that we've done that, the next step is to invite your team members. You'll find the People tab within your project. Click on Add People and enter their email addresses. This is important because it helps you collaborate effectively with your team and keep everyone in the loop. Next up is creating tasks. Go to the Tasks tab, then click Add Task. Here, you can specify what needs to be done, assign it to a team member, and set a deadline. The reason we do this is because it enables you to break down your project into manageable chunks and assign responsibility. Once your tasks are set, it's time to set up milestones. Click on the Milestones tab and then Add Milestone. Link your tasks to these milestones. This helps us because milestones give you a high-level view of the project's progress and ensure that you're working towards your goals. Lastly, we have the Messages tab. Here you can communicate with your team, ask questions, or give updates. This keeps everyone informed and fosters a collaborative environment. Now let me explain why this matters. Teamwork.com is designed to streamline your project management process, making collaboration, task assignment, and communication easy and efficient. It's an invaluable tool for community engagement projects because it keeps everyone on the same page and ensures that you're working towards your goals in a structured way. And that's it. You're now well equipped to use teamwork.com for your community engagement projects. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next guide.